Hello everyone. In this recording I want to go over again the pyramid of learning, and here I'm going to be covering knowledge, comprehension, and analysis. Probably the three really top areas that most teachers work in, as well as students. I'm going to go over some of the highlighted points, but not all of them. As you can see on the comment section, I've written out the question. So here the first one, not doing evil. Knowledge, what I would ask is, what does this mean? Comprehension, you can see, is very similar to knowledge. It goes into a little bit more depth. Explain this in your own words. That would require you then to research this phrase. I would go on the internet and research this as a key phrase. The last question goes more into depth and interpretation. What is the opposite of this? And then why does this case say latest case? Are there other cases related to this? So analysis goes into much deeper sense about this phrase. The next one is PageRank. Again, what is PageRank? Knowledge question. Can you explain it, or can you put it in your own words? These two ideas help you to really get at what the word is in itself. But the real question, and this is I find that's is that the first two questions set the stage for the third question. This is really what I want to know. How is PageRank similar or different from other internet ranking systems? So it's getting into a deeper sense of what the word is about. And the reason why I want this is because in the case, when you're doing your essay, you're wanting to be able to clearly distinguish this. Coming down to another point here, blocked. What is blocking of the internet? And then what is blocking off, because of the phrase here, blocking off. What other companies accused Google of blocking? Because it says here that they accused them, or here it claimed. So those would be examples of knowledge questions. Comprehension, can you restate this in another way? So can you explain the word block or blocking off in another way? So those two are interconnected, knowledge and comprehension. The third question is really the important question here. Why do these other companies claim to have been blocked? And I highlight claim because a claim is a legal term. It requires evidence. And we'll probably be going over this in another video, but this is a really important aspect in law and in research to understand this. In this video, I'm just going to skip through these other points here. Again, what is right to free speech? Can you explain this? And then how does it apply to this situation? Analysis, how does it apply? Unfair monopoly, again, how does it apply? We can go through there. Same thing here. How class action suit, how does it apply? So analysis, that's really the point, what we're trying to get at. And then finally here, knowledge. What is fairness in ethics? Now I've changed it. Here it says fairness and ethics, but I've changed it to fairness in ethics because I think this is really what's being asked. And I do that from my own background of knowledge. Comprehension, can you restate this in another way? Can you use your own words to explain what this is about? And then finally, here's the real crucial one here is, how can fairness and ethics be applied to Google's PageRank system? I think if you use these three types of questions, knowledge, comprehension, and then finally analysis, you'll really get at most of what's being asked in these reading texts. Okay, that's it for this video.